For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the error. This app can't run on your PC, Windows 10 or 11. To start this tutorial, before you download any application, make sure to know what your system type is, and then download the app based on your system type for it to run on your computer without any error. Now to check on your system type, click on the search bar below, and then search for system information. Open the app and navigate a system type. As you can see here, that I have a 64-bit system type. So when downloading an application, make sure that the version of it is for x64-bit and should also be compatible on your computer. Now you can try doing this method also. Go to your desktop and navigate to the application that is causing the error. Then right-click on the app and choose Properties. Click on the Compatibility section above. Under Compatibility Mode, check on the box and choose Windows 8 or the higher version. Then under Settings, check the Run as Administrator. Now click on Apply, and now you're good to go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.